Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thank you for joining me for another video. So today we are making a hot chicken eggs Benedict, y'all. So let's just jump straight into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a buttermilk marinade. So I'm going to use a little bit of buttermilk, add pickle juice, hot sauce, and season it with salt and pepper. Now I'm going to add 1 pound of chicken tenders to the marinade. I'm going to cover this, and this is going to go in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. Now while my chicken tenders marinate in the refrigerator, I'll get started on making my pickled Hollandaise sauce. So I'm using my blender to make it, and I'm also using egg yolks, clarified butter, pickle juice, a pinch of cayenne, and salt. Once my Hollandaise sauce is done, I set it aside in a warm water bath. Then I get started on making my chicken tenders. And for the chicken tenders, I am going to double batter them, then deep fry them till they are golden brown and delicious. So I deep fry these for about 5 minutes, or you want to wait until your thermometer reads about 165 degrees internally. Then once they are done, I set them aside on a rack to let them drain, and then I'll go ahead and warm up my English muffins. Now it's time to make the hot chicken hot. So I'm adding honey, butter, cayenne, a little bit of brown sugar, chili powder, and paprika. Then I coat all of my chicken tenders in all of that hot sauce. Then once I'm ready to plate it, I grab my English muffin, a couple of the chicken tenders. I also poach an egg, top it with my Hollandaise sauce, and then garnish it with fresh thyme. Y'all, listen, I love brunch so much, and this one definitely has a little bit of a kick. It's really good. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments. That's going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!